Take off your mitten, take off your hat. No. Take off your outfit.
What's the matter with me? I don't have much to say. Spring melt floating by me,
Saba, you're too close.
and I'm still in this old
Saba.
body of clay. Sun beating down on my forehead, watching my children's children grow. Just sit here on this fallen log and watch the river flow. Wish I was back near Tel Aviv instead of the Assiniboine, where the sun sets over the Mediterranean, and I'm part of more than me and mine. I'm dreaming mine. If I had wings and I could fly to the east is where I would go. But right now I'll just sit here so contentedly and watch the river flow. People disagreeing on everything makes you stop and wonder why. Just last month at the City Square protest, I couldn't help but cry. Assiniboine keeps on rolling though, near my body still, and my heart on the go. So for now with my kids, I'll just play here and watch the river flow.
What's the matter with me? I got a lot to say. Summertime, Winnipeg, yeah, I'm still in this old body of clay. Moonshine, bright sunlit air, see how my children's children grow. Just rest on a bench I built myself and watch the river flow. Wish I was back near Tel Aviv instead of this old prairie town. On western streets once paved with gold, where the sun is going down. Well, I got wings, and I can fly. To the east is where I gotta go. Just now I'll sit here all full of worry and watch the river flow. People disagreeing on everything makes you want to stop and ask a sage, could we all just live in peace before the Messianic age? Assiniboine keeps on rolling though, near my body still and my heart on the go. So for now with my kids, I'll just be here and watch the river flow. So for now with my kids, I'll just be here
I made right.
and watch the river flow.
We did something silly. We did something silly.